everyone, welcome back to the Shivering Mouse. I am so excited to see you again today. Our internet is still down at Shivering Mouse headquarters, so I figured I had to put something up to give you some kind of update just so you don't forget I exist, because it is 2020 and things are crazy. I don't have any murder hornets to keep your attention, so just pulling it out of left field and trying to keep everybody together. So what I wanted to talk about today is I do have a quick progress report. I am down to 240, which means I'm almost to a whole different second number, which is great. I've lost a pretty good amount of weight on Trim Healthy Mama, especially since I tend to work really slowly when it comes to losing weight, and so by alternating fuels and everything, I've lost about 15-ish pounds total, which is fantastic for me. I'm a slow burner, so I'm really excited about it. I've combined it with some kind of gentle exercises, stuff like that. Really excited because, as you can see Oliver looking outside right now, there's no snow finally, so that means we can actually go outside for walks, which is a lot more fun than walking on the treadmill. I think probably my biggest struggle for exercise is I get bored with it so fast and easy. I mean, if you listen to my other podcast, you know that I don't get bored walking around Disney World. I can do 13 to 15 miles pretty easy walking around Disney World because there's so much to look at. But walking on my own treadmill for a long time, it drives me crazy. It's almost torture. I just do not look forward to it. So I did want to update you. We should have a guy coming into our house to fix the internet tomorrow, so hopefully I will be able to upload some stuff starting then and actually continue along my research starting then. So for all of my patrons, that means I'm going to crank out all of the Narnia episodes I owe you. All of those special episodes. So I'm 3 episodes in the hole to you guys now. I do want to get those up by the end of the month just because I cannot stand charging people for a service I did not provide. It literally takes away my sleep at night, whether I was capable of providing that service or not. So I will get those Narnia episodes up for you on Patreon as soon as the guy comes by and fixes our internet, and get hopping on Friday's episode. So for those of you who are more into the Shivering Mouse podcast than the videos, how would you feel about a couple series shots, like a series on the Haunted Mansion, a series on Pirates of the Caribbean, and kind of the lore and mythology there, as well as the history of the actual attractions? This would be something I'd be really interested in presenting for you, and so I would love to put that up. Those of you who are my Trim Healthy Mama peeps, keep hanging in there. I'm hanging in there. I'm super excited because I have a brand new accountability partner. I say brand new, but we've been working together for about a week now. Oh, there goes Bailey. And I just haven't been able to get online. Oh, hush. But so it really, I can't tell you how much it helps you to have somebody to talk back and forth with, and how was your meal plan today, how did you do, and it really helps. So if you are somebody who struggles with motivation, or even with just remembering to plan out your S's and E's as far as meals go, get an accountability partner. My husband is pretty good at doing that too, but sometimes I get a little snappy at him when he's like, should you eat that? Is that an S or an E? And I go, mind your business. So I don't say that because I'm crazy feisty and sassy in my head, but my mouth is a little shyer than my head is, so I don't get up in his face like that. But yeah, you're all you're filming in your car. Who do you think you are, Brandon Ferris? No, I have not reached Brandon Ferris level sassiness, so I don't get too snappy with him when I don't follow my plan as well. But in my brain, I'm like, you know what? You're no thinner than I am, and really, I need to stop that because that's my heart problem, not his. He's trying to help me, and I asked him to help me, and I still feel a little sassy when he wants to ask about my plan because diet is a sensitive subject when you're a bigger girl. So either way, between the efforts of both of these individuals and myself, I'm continuing to lose. It's looking a lot better. And hey, stop it. Oliver's mad at that guy for getting gas. It's not that guy's fault. He has to get gas. It's just how life works. But Oliver just doesn't like people close to me. He wants to protect me. I didn't know that he was going to be that protective, but he really is. Anyway, so thanks for tuning in. Podcast episodes will be up soon, and again, as soon as the internet's back up, I will get back on these videos too to keep you going for where I am in my Trim Healthy journey. Thank you for tuning in, and have a wonderful day.